Elegant entertaining is easy with Tyson Cornish Hens. You're just 3 steps away from impressing holiday guests. Thaw the hens, rinse and pat them dry. Then season according to your recipe's instructions. If your recipe says to truss the legs, just tie them together with cooking twine. Roast, basting often according to your recipe. If your recipe says to spatchcock the hen before roasting, don't panic. Simply use kitchen scissors to cut down either side of the spine. Remove the spine, then press down on the breast to lay the hen flat. Just like that, you're serving an elegant dish that's also all natural and has no added hormones or steroids. Take it easy this holiday. Find Tyson Cornish Hens at Sam's Club.